As we kick off this holiday season, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who've been a part of our journey this year. I planned on doing this video about a week ago, but got caught up in other things, unfortunately. But I still wanted to make time to do this one. You know, this video is a chance for me to say thank you to some incredible people who've been instrumental in our YouTube adventure. But before we get to that, I want to ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think about how blessed we are to have a place that we can call home? Now, when we think of Thanksgiving and the holidays, it's easy to get caught up in the delicious aromas of roast turkey, pumpkin pie, or whatever are your favorite holiday food. Mine's the stuffing for sure. But let's take a moment to reflect on what this season truly means. It's about so much more than just a feast. It's about community, connection, and the warmth of being surrounded by those we care about. This year, I encourage you to look beyond the dinner table. Think about the roof over your head, the walls that shelter you, and the memories that you've created within them. If you're warm, well-fed, and have a place to call home, that's something truly worth being thankful for. Because sadly, not everyone in the world has this. You know, that's what we do here. And what we do here isn't just about renovating houses. It's about transforming lives. Each time you watch one of our videos, comment or share your own renovation journey, you're not just improving your home, you're becoming a part of a community that empowers and uplifts each other. Think about it. Every time you learn a new skill or tackle a DIY project, you're not just saving money, you're gaining confidence, independence, and the ability to shape your living space exactly the way you want it. That's knowledge. That's priceless. And the best part, it creates a ripple effect. Your success inspires others, and suddenly, we're not just building homes, we're building a community of capable and inspired homeowners. And let me tell you, seeing that community grow and thrive, it's been the highlight of my year. You're not just viewers, you're dreamers, doers, and the heart of what makes this channel special. I want to take a moment to celebrate you and your incredible home transformation successes. Whether you've repainted a room, renovated a kitchen, or are just in the early stages of learning how to renovate, or simply learned how to fix a leaky faucet, every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. You've shown us time and again the power of community in home renovation. Your comments, your questions, your shared experiences, they don't just help you, they inspire and guide others on their own journeys. Your stories have become beacons of inspiration for fellow homeowners, proving that with the right knowledge and a bit of courage, anything is possible. So, thank you for being part of our journey. Here's to many more years of building, learning, and growing together. Happy holidays to everyone.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.